खबरो विस्तारान तरुण तेजपालाच्या केशीत बिरेस्तारा म्हापशेच्या अतिरिक्त जिल्लो आनी सत्र न्यायालयान खंडपीठ प्रकरणात आरोपपत्र काडपाचो आदेश दिला. 28 सप्टेंबराक ह्या केशीत शुल्काची औपचारिकता तयार करपाची तारीख निश्चित जाल्ली आसा. IDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Specifics of the order, I don't think I can tell you simply because there's an order passed by the court under 327 of the CRPC that whatever proceedings cannot be printed, published in view of the bar created under 327(3) of the CRPC, right? So unless you seek permission of the court. So it only means
what do we say for today?
that the court has directed the charge should be framed against.
So under what all sections?
Yeah.
So under what all sections of the charges?
Well, I think all I think.
Any section can be dropped? Any specific section?
No, in fact, I think I have.
So in addition to that, charges have been framed.
Whether there is a blow or not, I think it's too premature now. In fact, the specifics as I told, I cannot tell you now. Can I seek permission of the court to kindly understand? There is a constraint here. I can't go beyond unless you seek permission of the court.
So what do we expect now?
So the matter is fixed, I think, now for charge on the 28th of September. For what? For 230.
So what do we expect?
The court has said the witness will come, prosecutors will come with the witness bank, then we'll see the veracity in the case and the probability of the case, inconsistency of the case. We have raised so many inconsistency, improvement and the fabrication in the case. The court says at this stage of the charge, the court is not going to look after all these things. So we have the opportunity to cross-examine the witness. Once she will come in the witness box, then we'll put our case forward.
Right, sir. So, and now what can we expect on the 28th of September to happen?
Only the formal charge will frame, then the matter will be posted for the trial.
So there has been certain kind of speculation, if you can just end that, Romaya sir, that the charges of the framing did take place today. So is it that the 28th of September in effect when the formal charges
No,
will take place?
charges has not been framed. The order on the charge has been passed to frame the charge.
Okay.
So this is the one stage prior to the framing of charge.